Right now, inside your microwave sits a chip designed in 1987. Same chip, same code, same job. And nothing, not Apple, not Samsung, not 40 years of progress, has been able to replace it. This is the TMS1000, a 4-bit microcontroller that should have died in the Reagan era. Instead, it hides inside billions of devices in your home right now. By the end of this video, you will know exactly why the most powerful tech companies on Earth gave up trying to kill it, and why your great-grandchildren will probably still use it. 1971, Texas Instruments engineer Gary Boone is staring at a problem. Calculators back then needed a different chip for every model. Different math, different chip. Expensive, slow, stupid. Boone proposes something heretical. One chip, programmable. Burn the instructions in once at the factory. The calculator's brain becomes software, not hardware. Texas Instruments patents the idea. The microcontroller is born. 16 years of refinement later, in 1987, TI releases the TMS1000 series, the version that would never die. Cost to manufacture in 1987, about 12 cents per chip. Cost today, about 8 cents. Power needed, less than a single LED. Failure rate, effectively zero. And here is the trick. Once the program is burned in, it cannot be hacked, cannot be updated, cannot be infected. There is nothing to attack. Then, the microwave industry noticed. Microwaves do not need much intelligence. Countdown, beep, open door, start, 12 buttons, that is it. A modern processor running this job would be like hiring a neurosurgeon to flip a light switch. The TMS1000 by 1989 did the entire job with room to spare. Sharp, Panasonic, GE, and Whirlpool standardized on TMS1000 family chips between 1988 and 1992. Within 5 years, an estimated 85% of microwaves shipped worldwide ran the same chip family, running essentially the same firmware, written by the same handful of engineers. Then, something strange happened. Nothing. No upgrade, no replacement, no revision for 38 years. Engineers at Samsung tried in 2008. Their research team built a microwave with an ARM Cortex M0, modern, fast, internet-capable. It cost $4 more per unit. It used 30 times more power on standby. And in field testing, it failed at 5 times the rate of the TMS1000 version. Samsung quietly killed the project. The chip went back in. LG tried in 2014, same result. The chip went back in. Whirlpool tried in 2019, the chip went back in. Here is what is actually happening. The TMS1000 is not surviving because it is good. It is surviving because the problem has not changed. A microwave in 1987 did the same job a microwave does today. Countdown, heat, beep. The TMS1000 solved that problem so completely, so cheaply, and so reliably that the entire industry hit a wall called good enough and never crossed it. Engineers have a term for this: a frozen accident. Once a solution becomes the standard, the cost of replacing it grows faster than the benefit. The TMS1000 became infrastructure. Replacing it means retraining factories, rewriting decades of test protocols, requalifying every supplier, and explaining to customers why their new microwave is more expensive and breaks more often. Nobody wants to be the executive who explains that. But microwaves are just the start. The TMS1000 and its direct descendants are still running, the dishwasher cycle controller in 60% of dishwashers sold today, the remote control in your TV, the 7-segment display in your gas pump, the countdown timer in your slow cooker, the relay logic in your garage door opener. Texas Instruments still ships TMS1000 family microcontrollers in 2026. Demand has gone up, not down. And here is the part that breaks everyone's brain. When the United States updated its nuclear weapons safety protocols in 2007, the audit specifically required the use of non-updatable, non-networkable, single-purpose microcontrollers for trigger validation circuits. Translation: chips so old and so dumb that no foreign intelligence service can hack them, because there is nothing to hack. The Pentagon's recommended chip family included direct descendants of the TMS1000. The same chip that beeps when your popcorn is done helps validate the world's nuclear arsenal for the exact same reason. It cannot be touched. It does one thing, it does it forever. Modern processors are powerful precisely because they are flexible. The TMS1000 is invincible precisely because it is not. So when you press start on your microwave tonight, and you hear that little chirp before the magnetron kicks in, that sound is being orchestrated by a chip designed during the Cold War, manufactured to a 1987 specification, running code written by engineers who are now mostly retired. It will outlive your microwave. It will outlive the company that made your microwave. It will, in all probability, outlive you. Progress is not always replacement. Sometimes the most advanced thing in the room is the thing that was already perfect 40 years ago and quietly refused to be improved. If you want to know what other 40-year-old tech is hiding inside your house right now, including the 1970s chip in your car that the FBI tried to ban, that is next week's video. Subscribe to Obsolete Origins so it shows up. I will see you Sunday.